Hello everyone! This is the recipe that you were looking for, soft and juicy. Every culture has its own way to prepare meatballs, but they have something in common. Independently of their names and shapes, they have the same purpose, to gather us around the table. Let's see how to prepare them.
First we need to soak the stale bread in milk and water until it gets soft. Squeeze out the liquid and keep it for later. For this recipe I will use 50% of pork and 50% of beef mincemeat. To season it, use your favorite spices. I use salt, black pepper, nutmeg, ginger, paprika, parsley, garlic and turmeric. Add the mixed spices, the bread, 2 eggs and parmesan to the meat, and mix all ingredients together. To soften your batch, add the milk and water that you kept aside. Add some caramelized onion. To check if the flavor is to your liking, form a small patty and cook it. If adjustments are needed, now is the time. To form the classic round meatballs, roll 50 grams of the batch in between your hands and place them in a tray with a bit of olive oil. Bake them in the oven at 230 degrees, near the broiler, for about 20 minutes. Now we can try another shape. Roll them as previously and flat them. Fry them on both sides and check if they are well cooked in the middle. This shape is typical in Germany, and they are known as Fleischpflanzerl. For this shape we will need some wooden skewers, and we will boost the flavor with some more spices, for a Middle Eastern flavor. Basically, more garlic, turmeric, paprika and chili. Wrap the meat around the wooden sticks and roll it to elongate the shape. If you want an authentic Middle Eastern flavor, use 100% beef or lamb. Then cook them on a fry pan. For the next dish, form small balls and place them in the fridge before cooking them. Like this, they will maintain the form once you boil them in the stock. Place them piece by piece in the hot stock to avoid the temperature dropping down. If you want to learn how to make an amazing stock, here is an easy tutorial to watch. Once they are cooked, they are ready to be served. These meatballs are called Monachine, and they are served in broth in the south of Italy. Here you are, 4 different dishes with one recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Check out my channel for more recipes. See you in the next video.